Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, today is something different, but it's a review. We are doing a first impression and unboxing of the new mattress that I bought. This is currently my old mattress that I also got from Amazon, which everything is going to be linked down below. I do still recommend this mattress. It's just that I think in what was it, 2024? I think 2023. 2023, my taxi got into a car accident and I got hit from behind. Well, we got hit from behind. And my back just has never been the same. Like, I'm not going to lie to y'all. And recently, this mattress has been bothering my back bad. So I think if it wasn't for that accident, I would be fine with my mattress. But then again, I did have this mattress for 6 years. So I really don't even know how often you're supposed to replace your mattress. But I do want to give you guys a look at this pillow. Yes, I know it has a stain on it. I had it for like 3 years. But this was a special pillow that saved my life for the accident. And I bought another one. So everything is going to be brand new that I put on the bed. Brand new sheets, brand new everything. Like, okay. But this pillow right here, I'm going to link down below also. So if you have like back problems and things like that, I recommend this pillow. It's been a saint, but for some reason, it's not working no more. Like, I don't know what's going on. But I do know that I ordered a new bed. It is 12 inches. It's a hybrid because ChatGPT told me to do hybrid because it might help. Well, it is going to help with my back pains. This is all memory foam. This is all memory foam, baby. So, like, it gets soft. Okay? But, yeah. So, I just wanted to give you guys a look at the current mattress. And I don't know how many inches this is. It might be 12. Honestly, I need to find out the inches. I'm gonna look at the inches. And matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I'm gonna find out when I finish recording this video how many inches this is. But yeah. So saying goodbye to the old baby. And then we're going to be unboxing the new baby. This is the new baby. This is how she comes. Now with these box mattress, because my current one was a box mattress, honestly, I recommend 2 people. You're really supposed to have 2 people. But life is life and nobody's home right now. And my back, I just woke up with the most craziest back pain. I'm putting this on my bed. I'm putting this on my bed. So with that being said, yeah, it's not really like we're going to unbox it, box it. Because the moment you open it out of this box, it needs to be placed on the bed. So the first thing I need to do is remove my current mattress and then worry about this second. So let's do it. Okay. Don't pay attention to what's under my bed. This is how I storage my shoes and stuff. So, yeah, but you can't see it when the mattress is on here. So don't mind my under the bed storage. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it and then I'm going to open up the box because you're going to see. You're basically going to see. But yeah. And don't mind my look, y'all. I just woke up. I literally just woke up and my back was hurting so much. I said, you know what? Today's the day. Because I was going to wait until. This is how it's looking so far, right? So far, I have 2 complaints, and I haven't even fully opened it yet. Nowhere on here does it says the size of the bed. We're going to pray that this is a queen. Because if it's not a queen, Amazon is going to get cursed out in 2 different ways. It's going to be a professional way, and it's going to be a hood way. Because guess who's not returning this mattress? Me. Once you're going to see, but once I tear this, it's clipped. That is it. The mattress is going to expand. But that being said, it came with this card. Once again, the card doesn't have the mattress size on it. It's just telling you the warranty and a nice pretty logo. That's it. Here it says tear here to open. Yes, we know when we tear it, that's it. So, I just got to figure out too, how long do I have to leave this thing? It's a certain amount of time you got to leave it to let it expand. That's another thing. It's no instruction. Like, it doesn't even say it on the box. It doesn't say it on the box. I looked on the box. I don't want to show, like, the whole entire box because some parts got my address. But, like, it doesn't even say queen. Like, I'm already annoyed. Like, I'm annoyed. But you know what, y'all? This is why I do review videos. So, let me be the test dummy for you because I don't like this. Like, I really don't like this. Like, but let's just pray and do what needs to be done. Ah, shit. Oh, no. Is it white or is it gray? It's fucking gray. Well, ah, shit. Where is it? Where's my phone? Oh, no. Yeah, the white is on top. All right, I gotta flip this. Ah, fuck me. The good part is it's looking like a queen. The bad part is I gotta flip this mattress. I really should have just fucking waited. Like, shit. Okay. Ugh. Okay. This is how she's looking. It is a queen. Thank the Lord. I just don't really like that. It didn't have no paperwork or nothing confirming that it was a queen. I don't like that. But this is how she's looking. This right here is 12 inches. This I know for a fact is 12 inches because I literally just ordered it. Which is looking like the same size as my old mattress. So, that one was probably a 12 also. Now, what I realized too, and maybe it's because I took this part out of the bag late. This is like down. Like it's kind of like a little hill. It's going like down. So, I got to give it a while to fully expand. But the way that thing popped out of the bag, I hope I got that on camera. Because the way that thing popped out of the bag like a jackbox. Okay, so ChatGPT is saying it recommends giving it 72 hours, 3 days to fully expand. Woo, child, we're not doing that. The good news is it does most of the expanding pretty quickly. You should see a puff, which we did. Yeah, okay. It says you can sleep on it after around 6 hours. So it's currently 9 a.m. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So around 2 is when I could lay in my bed, 2 or 3. That's fine. It's not too bad. Yeah. So I'm going to sit here, let it fully expand, come back to you guys when it fully expands. It's probably going to look the same, honestly, on camera. These is like one of those things you just got to like see in person. But I also got to get rid of this old mattress and do laundry. So it's a lot of things I got to do today. So yeah, let's see this thing fully expands. Okay, so it is currently 2:07 p.m. Remember we did this at 9 a.m. And yeah, it has fully expanded. It definitely looks way taller. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it definitely looks way taller than like how I left it. What I've been doing is like to this part, I've been like trying to like, pump it out. But I'm not going to lay on it just yet because I actually have stuff to do. So by the time I lay on it, it'll definitely be ready or whatever the case may be. Remember, ChatGPT said 72 hours for it to fully expand. So it's definitely going to be doing some expanding within the next 2 days. But yeah, guys. And I also looked up my other mattress. I probably put the text on there by now, but it was 10 inches and I ordered 12. So I am actually higher which I have a metal bed frame under, in case anybody's wondering. This is a metal bed frame. I believe this is 14 inches because I put my storage bins with my shoes under there, and that's like a little New York hack trick if you have a lot of shoes like me and the space is limited because you live in New York City. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't wait to see how I can't wait to see like how it feels and things like that. Also got a new neck pillow. So this is my new neck pillow. I showed y'all my old one. This is my new one. And I let this expand too while it was on the bed. So yeah, I hope I sleep wonderful tonight. I will definitely do a voiceover of how my sleep was at night. And yeah. Okay, so now that I had a good night's sleep on this mattress for the past 2 days, I will say I have not had back pain. I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, but I will say it hasn't happened. So I'm thankful for that. One thing that I did notice, and this is my mistake, this has nothing to do with the product. My last mattress was a 10-inch. This is a 12-inch, so I am higher, and I'm not going to lie to y'all. I almost fell off this bed like at least 2 times trying to get off of it. So, yeah, my advice, 10-inch is nice and fine. I thought I had a 12-inch. I got it wrong, but that's okay. I'll just get used to it. And, yeah, I give this mattress an 8 out of 10, you know. Comment below and let me know if you want a follow-up or an update on how the mattress is holding up. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.